Jasper. I'm 37 years old and I'm a business development. When you enter the house, on the right side will be my featured wall, and then on the left will be the dining area and also our semi-open kitchen. And on the right side will be our living area. Walking down the hallway, on the right side there will be 2 common rooms, on the left will be our common toilet, and straight up will be our master bedroom. So I got my inspiration from Pinterest, TikTok. We work with Alex to see whether it's feasible into this house, whether it looks nice. My wife and me put a lot of effort in the details of the house, the lighting, the art placing in the house, and then I want some color to pop out of this wood and don't make it so boring. And then I got a lime wash to balance the whole house, to make it more cozy and comfortable. We wanted to have a wow feeling whereby it doesn't look like a house, look like a hotel lobby. So we came up with this idea with Alex, and I think it brings out the flavor of the house. The toilet themes are similar. We want something like a black stone and we play a bit of lighting. And we inbuilt our rain shower into the bathroom. It looked more classy. We put a lot of effort in the living room. We want to have like a cozy kind of feeling to the house, like a hard and a soft, but we balance it out very well.